Practicing hatching and cross-hatching daily is a great way to improve your control, texture creation, and overall your drawing skills. So here are 7 daily practices I'll go through in this video. Number 1, warm-up strokes. In this first exercise, you can practice consistent pressure and spacing. Start your session with basic line control exercises. So fill a page with evenly spaced lines. Closer lines lead to darker value and wider lines lead to lighter value. Draw parallel lines, short, long, close, spaced. Practice straight, curved, diagonal, zigzag, and varied pressure strokes. Try even pressure versus varied pressure for value control. Try this with single direction hatching and cross hatching. Your focus should be on control, rhythm, and wrist flexibility. Number 2, value skills with hatching. You can also create boxes and fill them with hatching from light to dark. So create 5 to 9 boxes and fill them using only hatching in one direction, and cross-hatching in 2, 3, or more layers in different directions. Layer gradually. Start light and build up value with additional layers. Don't go dark too fast. Build with intention. Try switching the angle and density to build from light to dark. Your focus should be on value range and density control. Number 3, texture studies. Choose real-life objects or photo references, like wood, stone, cloth, metal, anything, and create their texture using hatching or cross-hatching. Observe how direction and pressure simulate surface feel. Use fine lines for smooth textures and erratic ones for rough textures. You can also choose other textures like hair, fur, feather, and replicate them using only hatching. Remember, you can also use direction to suggest texture. Vertical lines for cloth, jagged lines for bark, circular strokes for round forms. Your focus should be on translating textures with lines. Number 4, master studies. Copy small sections from master drawings, like Goya, Raphael, or modern ink illustrators. Pay attention to line flow, direction, and how they handle shading. Don't just copy, analyze the artwork. Focus on how they use line direction, density, and layering. So here your focus should be on technique imitation and understanding line logic. Number 5, organic forms with volume. Pick simple objects like fruits, skulls, shells, and render them using only hatching. Follow the form with your lines. We call this technique contour hatching. Also, you can use cross-hatching to build shadows and depth. Curve your lines to match the object's shape. This adds volume and realism, especially in cross-hatching. Draw spheres, cubes, and cylinders and shade them to practice light and shadow. Your focus should be on building form and 3D illusion. Number 6, timed sketches. Do quick 5 to 15 minute sketches of anything around you using only hatching. Then you can use one direction for midtones and layering for darker values. This helps with speed and decision making under pressure. Your focus should be on efficiency, confidence, and spontaneity. And finally, number 7, creative hatching challenges. Make it fun with challenges like only curved lines today, 3 angles max, use hatching to make clouds, no erasing challenge, and angle variation. Use different angles like 45 degree, 90 degree for cross hatching. Your focus should be on pushing creativity and limitations. Use pens or fine liners to build confidence, no erasing. If you slow down and concentrate on each stroke you're making, you can build up really clean lines. But also you can try fast scribbles if you want to try another method and you just want to end up with a quick result. Work in silence or with focused music to improve rhythm and flow. This really helped me. Study light and shadow in real life to improve how you hatch to represent them. In the future tutorials, we'll dive into each of these practices more precisely, focusing on details and more examples. So stay tuned and see you soon!